And the worst case scenario is if we get freezing rain, sleet, and then snow. You get ice build up on the roads and then snow to cover it. That's a very dangerous situation. News as we move into our weekend. Temperatures are going to hang out into the low 50s. 52 degrees for Saturday, 53 for Sunday. Low temperatures are going to stay around the freezing mark, but the sun's going to come back out. So definitely get out and enjoy the weekend because things change again on Sunday night as another cold front pushes through. This bright green meets this red, that's the area of rotation that we're expecting that possible tornado to be coming from. It sure did feel like a nice day compared to what we had yesterday, and that's because we had some clouds that were able to stay out of our area, but towards our south and towards our north, the clouds stuck around. There are winter storm warnings posted for our area and areas just north and south of us. You can see this sliver of pink, that is the winter storm warnings. But all around the winter storm warning are winter weather watches and advisories. The blue are the winter weather advisories. In Jackson, 28 in Memphis, and you can really see that dividing line of that front that pushed through yesterday. It's 78 degrees in Tallahassee, man. Wouldn't that be nice for us? The big story about this front is how it's going to feel after this front because it's going to be very cool and it's actually going to give us a taste of fall. You get to your safe place. This is a very serious situation. Like I said, if you're just joining us, radar has indicated a possible tornado, so you want to make sure you're in your safe place, and it is night outside, so you will not be able to see it coming, and it also is possibly rain wrap, so make sure you're aware of that. Right on top of it. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Tom Geboy with your Campus Connect forecast. When we woke up this morning, we had to deal with some showers, but you would never guess that with what we're seeing right now. Some ample sunshine right now, helping temperatures get up to a pretty comfortable degree. 55 degrees right now. It actually got up into the lower 60s today, so it felt quite nice out there, and I hope you were able to get out and enjoy it. But for the next coming days, the rain is coming back for tonight, so just make sure you have your umbrella with you as you go out through the night. And I wish I could say that winter's over, but it's not. We have another shot of winter that we're going to be expecting. We'll get to more of that later. And then once that shot of cold air comes by, we're going to get back into the 60s by the end of the weekend. So we'll get there in a little bit, but for right now, let's go through the next couple of days. As for right now, temperatures across the region pretty constant, 55 here in Starkville, 57 in Jackson. But if you look off to the north where the blue meets the green, definitely a temperature gradient right there, and that's because that's our next front that we're going to be dealing with, bringing us a chance of showers for tonight. For tonight, as we go into midnight, that's when we're really going to see those chance of showers as the front is knocking on our door. And then it's going to clear out of the area by Wednesday morning, and then it's just going to lead to an area of high pressure building into our area, clearing out the skies, helping temperatures get up pretty nicely. But then our next another shot of cold air is coming in. It's not going to be anything like we saw that we're going to see tonight. No moisture associated with it because it's just going to be too cold and not going to have to worry about any showers. So that's definitely some good news, and it's going to stay clear. But if you look back off towards our west for Friday, another weather maker is coming into our area, but we're not expecting any winter precipitation. Just cool things down a little bit, leading to a nice weekend once that front pushes through and another area of high pressure builds back into our area. So that's definitely some good news there. And then all that's just going to push out of our area, and it's going to be leading to a very pleasant weekend. But let's go through the temperatures for the next couple of days. As we go into your Wednesday morning, as you wake up, temperature is going to be 28 degrees, so it is going to be quite cool outside. You definitely want to make sure you dress your kids with those layers tomorrow, as it is going to be quite chilly. And for your lunch hour, only going to get up to 42 degrees, so it is going to stay on the chillier side tomorrow. Don't expect it to get any warmer than that, so make sure you definitely have those layers. And then another cool morning for Thursday morning as you wake up, all the way down to 25 degrees, and the wind chill might even be right around 20. So make sure you are weather aware, and make sure you definitely dress in those layers, and bring the dogs inside if you keep your dogs outside because you don't want them to freeze. It's going to be quite cool outside. But then we see that warming trend coming back. Thursday afternoon getting all the way almost to 50. But then the really good news is, like, as you can see, Friday afternoon, you can really see that surge of warm air come back into our area. 53 for the high on Friday, and temperatures are just going to increase as we go throughout the weekend. So let's go through tonight. Let's get through tonight. Temperature is going to get down to 34 degrees. If it gets colder than that, we might see a little winter precipitation, but no accumulation and nothing to really worry about. Just a couple of wet roadways, so make sure you are aware of that if you are driving tonight. Make sure you have that umbrella with you just in case. We're expecting those showers to be around midnight, so just make sure if you're going out at that time, just make sure you're aware of that. Tomorrow, only going to get up to 42. Rain should be out of the area by 8 a.m., so you don't have to deal with that. So that's going to lead to sunny skies for the afternoon leading. So it's going to be pretty nice. Your 2-day forecast, Going to get up to 53 on Thursday. Things are really starting to shape up for a nice weekend. And then 55 in the Saturday. You can see that warming trend continue. 65 degrees on Sunday, but with that 65, the rain chances do come back, and the best chance of rain is on Monday with a 40% chance of rain, but temperatures continue to rise, and looks like spring's right around the corner. With your Campus Connect forecast, I'm meteorologist Tom Geboy. Have a great day, everybody.